click the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the notification of every video I upload. Hello friends, this is Adrian Christian. In this video, I will talk about the upcoming Galaxy A90. So let's watch. So friends, Galaxy A90, which will be a Galaxy A series smartphone, there are some information leaked about this phone, and according to some people it will be the first Samsung device to have a pop-up camera, which means the camera will use a motor and you will see the camera coming out from the top of the phone, and there would be no cutout or notch display in phone. Friends, we have already seen this technology in many of the Chinese smartphone companies like Oppo and Vivo. And now Samsung is going to use this technology for their phones. And we hope Samsung does it in a better way. Friends, in one of the Samsung event in which Samsung had introduced their One UI, they had also introduced 4 new displays which include new Infinity 2. And that display might be the display we will see in the Galaxy A90, and we hope in future Samsung will introduce it at their flagship level. So friends, this is the latest news. I hope you will like the video, so subscribe the channel, like and share the video. Peace out.